Credit cards with no annual fee and a lot of rewards and perks. Credit cards can be a great way to earn rewards and benefits while also improving your credit score. However, some credit cards come with high annual fees that can offset the value of the rewards. Luckily, there are many credit cards that offer great rewards and perks without charging an annual fee. In this video, we'll be discussing 7 of the best credit cards with no annual fee and a lot of rewards and perks. Card 1. Chase Freedom Unlimited. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card is a great choice for anyone looking for a credit card with no annual fee and a high rewards rate. With this card, you can earn 1.5% cash back on all purchases. You can also earn a $200 sign-up bonus when you spend $500 in the first 3 months of opening the account. Additionally, the card comes with a 0% APR for the first 15 months. Card 2. Citi Double Cash. The Citi Double Cash card is another great option for anyone looking for a credit card with no annual fee. With this card, you can earn 2% cash back on all purchases, 1% when you make a purchase, and another 1% when you pay it off. The card also comes with a 0% APR for the first 18 months. This is Card 3. Capital One Venture One Rewards Credit Card. The Capital One Venture One Rewards Credit Card is an excellent travel rewards card that comes with no annual fee. With this card, you can earn 1.25 miles for every dollar spent on all purchases. You can also earn 20,000 bonus miles when you spend $500 within the first 3 months of opening the account. Additionally, the card comes with a 0% APR for the first 12 months. Card 4. Discover It Cashback. The Discover It Cashback card is a great choice for anyone looking for a credit card with no annual fee and rotating bonus categories. The card also comes with a 0% APR for the first 14 months. Discover It Cashback. The Discover It Cashback credit card is an excellent choice for those who want a credit card with no annual fee and a lot of perks. The card offers 5% cash back on rotating categories throughout the year, such as gas stations, restaurants, and Amazon.com. You must activate the categories each quarter to earn the 5% cash back. Additionally, the card offers 1% cash back on all other purchases. Another perk of the card is that Discover will match all the cash back you earn in the first year, effectively doubling your rewards. Card 5. Wells Fargo Propel American Express Card. The Wells Fargo Propel American Express card is a great option for anyone looking for a credit card with no annual fee and a lot of perks. With this card, you can earn 3x points on eating out and ordering in, gas stations, ride shares, transit, and travel, including flights, hotels, homestays, and car rentals. You can also earn 20,000 bonus points when you spend $1,000 within the first 3 months of opening the account. The card also comes with a 0% APR for the first 12 months. Card 6. Blue Cash Everyday Card from American Express. The Blue Cash Everyday Card from American Express is a great cashback card that comes with no annual fee. With this card, you can earn 3% cash back at U.S. supermarkets on up to $6,000 per year in purchases, then 1% and 2% cash back at U.S. gas stations and select U.S. department stores, and 1% cash back on all other purchases. Additionally, the card comes with a 0% APR for the first 15 months. Card 7. Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Credit Card. The Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Credit Card is another no annual fee credit card that offers a generous cashback program. The card offers 1.5% cash back on all purchases, and there is no limit to the amount of cash back you can earn. In addition to the cashback program, the card comes with a 0% intro APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months. These are just a few of the many credit cards with no annual fee that offer excellent rewards and perks. When choosing a credit card, it's essential to consider your spending habits and the rewards and perks that are most valuable to you. It's also essential to read the terms and conditions carefully so you understand the fees, interest rates, and rewards program. With the right credit card, you can save money, earn rewards, and improve your credit score.